Hello, my name is Davis, and through this Nugget video, I'd like to show you how to use Git Hooks on Windows. So what are Git Hooks? They enable us to run custom scripts when certain events occur in the Git lifecycle, such as whenever you commit, when you do merges, when you push, when you receive, etc. So through this demo, I'd like to specifically focus on the post commit script that gets executed when you make certain changes into your Git repo and you commit those changes by doing a Git commit. So let me first, before we get started, I'd like to let you know that I've downloaded the 64-bit version of Git on my laptop, and let me open Git Bash. So yeah, so I'm in the bash now. I would first of all so if you notice, I can use pretty much all the Linux like commands on Windows using git bash, like ls minus la, etc. Let me clear this, and I have created, let me create a new directory called trial and get into the directory. Here I will initialize a local Git repo using git init. Now I have created the repo. If we do ls minus l, you see nothing, but if I do ls minus la, you see this hidden folder called .git. Go into the hidden folder. Oh, sorry. Now if you do again ls minus la, you see this hooks folder, and this is where you will write your post commit script. Now let me change into the hooks folder. Okay, now I'll use vim to create a post commit script. Alright, first of all, insert to enter text, and so now what this denotes is this is called a shebang. In Unix like systems, it tells the program loader that this is a script, and what I specify after this is the path to the interpreter that I would use to execute the script. So here I'm going to use the git shell to execute the script, and I need to essentially find the path. So I believe I saved it on C drive. So let me go to C drive, program files. So if I hit git, it's right here. Go into the bin folder, and yeah, essentially, oh sorry, I needed to go to the user folder and then bin folder, and essentially this path. So let me insert this, and make sure you need to specify backslash to escape the space, and yep. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is whenever I make changes into my Git repo, I want a web browser with google.com on it. Like I want to open a web browser with google.com. So let me just create. So to do that, you just do start, and over here you can specify the path to your browser. If you haven't specified any, it's going to use the default browser. And now let me just save this, write it, and that's about it. And there you might run into some trouble if your file is not executable. So to make it executable, to verify it is executable, you go to properties and you see security section, and you go to and you see read and execute. It's allowed, so it is an executable. Now the next step is essentially I would need sorry, let me open, yep, okay, so now let me make changes. Let me make changes into this repo. I'll create a empty file called trial.txt, and if I do ls, I should see that file, and I'm going to commit it with a message. Before I commit, I need to add that file. So let me add that file. I have added it. Now if I see git status, you can see that the file is added. Now I need to essentially commit, and I could specify the message as testing. And once I commit, voila, it opens up a web browser, which is Chrome, which is the default browser in mine, with google.com. I hope this session was informative, and thank you for watching.